back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo, and today as part of the 4th day of the 40 days challenge, I'm going to make some detox drinks. I traveled extensively this summer. Obviously when you travel, you're trying to eat a lot of stuff outside, you're trying to explore a lot of cuisines, and you end up overstuffing yourself and bloating and etc. And I'll share those recipes with you guys. You can also try them. So I'll be sharing 2 detox recipes with you guys today. So first being the beetroot detox drink, and the second being the orange and carrot detox drink. These drinks have worked very effectively for me. Let's chop a beetroot like this. So that's about a cup of beetroot, guys, and 1 carrot. Just chop roughly, it's okay, because you're going to put all these in the blender, so you're fine. So just chop it like that. So that's 1 carrot and 1 green apple. So peel it off and then cut it into cubes. Add 1 cup of beetroot, half a cup of carrots, and 1 cup of green apple, a little bit of mint, 2 cubes of ginger, and half a lime. Add about half a cup of water and blend these all together. I'm transferring this drink to a beautiful mason jar like this. Look at that. Look at that color. So you take an orange for the orange and carrot juice, and cut into cubes like this, and 1 carrot, just chop roughly, it's okay, because you're going to put all these in the blender, so you're fine. So just chop it like that. So that's 1 carrot. We add a cup of carrots and a cup of oranges and the leftover green apple. It's optional, guys. I'm adding about 3 cubes of ginger and half a lime. Add about half a cup of water and blend it together. Transfer the orange and carrot detox drink into the mason jar like this. There you go, guys. Our 2 beetroot and carrot and orange detox drinks are ready in less than 5 minutes. There you go, guys. My beetroot and carrot detox drink and the orange and carrot detox drinks are ready. So enjoy. I don't pass this through the sieve once I blend it, because I feel the fiber is in that. So you should intake all the fiber and all the goodness that this drink has to offer. So I don't pass it through the sieve, and I have it as it is. If you really want a liquidy detox drink, then you can pass this to the sieve. It's totally up to you guys how you want to do it. So my today's 2 cents is respect, guys. Respect each other, respect everybody around you, because you give respect and you take respect. Simple, right?